And like that, we're done.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your guy KasH the Cool Dad back again with another one. This time it's trim again on my Mustang. What am I using? Black Rhino Blackout. Let's groove, baby. Oh man, shout out to the pilot, man. Shout out to the pilot. Shout out to the pilot. But here we go. There we go. Look at that, man. That shit look nasty, man. But don't worry about it. Black Rhino to the rescue. You dig?
Let me show y'all something. Black Rhino to the rescue. Here's the before. Let's groove, baby. My KasH about to go on and get this here going, and I'll be right back with y'all. So, with everything that you're trying to do on your vehicle, you have to prep it. Even though the vehicle is dirty, I just wiped the whole car down with some Jade A62 Refresh. It's a ceramic coating prep. Clears the surface of all contaminants. That's what KasH needed. That's what I just did. And now we about to go ahead and complete this, and I'm about to show y'all this the before y'all see it, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the after, and I'm gonna let Black Rhino do his thing. Let's work, baby. Here we go. Before, after, and that's only one coat. Blackout. Let's go, baby. They say best black or your money back. Let's groove, baby. That KasH finish, and I'm gonna come through with some final thoughts. Like I said, y'all, I used this before, and you know this here is a certified, man. So yeah, let's go and complete this so it could be certified. And like that, we're done. And remember, I did that side with Stoner Car Care. I clean the vehicle and show you guys both sides after I let this side sit at least 10 days like I did that side. And then I'm gonna come back and let y'all guys know. Then when I do that, I'm gonna wash the vehicle as well. So y'all gonna see the vehicle washed up. Trim gonna be done soon. Stay tuned. So man, blackout. Once again, KasH gonna tell y'all certified go, man. If y'all need a code for blackout, tap in with your boy KasH. KasH got a code for y'all. Shout out to Mr. Brad. Mr. Brad, blackout is a excellent product. Hey, GraphX, another great product. I did it on a client vehicle. Client haven't had no problems. This client was under the radar. Don't want to be on camera. Don't want to be seen, don't want to be noticed. So I'm going to do it again. And this time I'm going to give everybody. But me and Mr. Brad already talked. Mr. Brad, no. GraphX, graphene, top tier. Let's go.